Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called EasyBucks, okay? So let's take a look at this money-making app and let's see whether it's good or not. How much does it pay out? Is it worth your time? I'm going to do a full review on EasyBucks, all right? Now, at any time if you want, you can get access to my $5,000 to $10,000 per month strategy by just clicking the link directly below this video. It's my favorite way to get to 10K per month. I'll send it directly to your email. Completely up to you if you want to do that, all right? Now, let's take a look at EasyBucks, okay? And it's a great little website here. It says, a money-making app like never before. Spend money on your favorite brands. Easy start for Easy Bucks. Okay, so all you need to do really is download the app, sign up for an account, and start making money. Now, Easy Bucks is basically a typical GPT website, get paid to click website. Now, there are many GPT websites out there. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of them. Some of the top ones are websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. And let's take a look at EasyBucks to see whether it's similar, how does it stack up, and how can you really make money from EasyBucks, right? So the first thing that I want to say is that EasyBucks is currently, at the time of recording this video, only available on Android, all right? So if you're a Apple user, unfortunately, you can't download EasyBucks, but maybe they'll change that in the future. Now, there are three main ways to make money on EasyBucks. First of all, I want to say it's free. So you can download EasyBucks for free onto your Android. And then once you're on your Android, you can do three things. You can take surveys, you can download offers, and you can play games. Okay, very simple. Now, a lot of other GPT apps are very similar as well. It's based around surveys, offers, and games. Now, how does it work? So a survey, you would basically fill in all the pre-qualification questions, and then every single day you can take usually a couple of surveys, not that many, maybe 2, maybe 3, if you're lucky, 4, all right? Now, each survey pays you a very small amount of money. We're talking about maybe 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, anything more than that, you're lucky, okay? And so it does take a while for you to make money. Now, the other thing that you can access is offers. Now, offers work a little bit differently. Offers are when you're able to download something, take a free trial. Maybe it's a gym membership where you have to put in a credit card. So remember, you have to cancel that before they actually charge you. Sometimes you have to download an offer, jump through a few hoops before they actually pay you out. This is very normal on GPT websites, and these allow you to earn a little bit more, okay? The games, however, on EasyBucks are very basic. So it's going to take you a long time before you actually make any real income, all right? So they pay you basically back in their coins. And for EasyBucks, 1,000 of EasyBuck coins is equivalent to $1, all right? Now, if you look at the games, when you log in, it's going to take you a long time before you even earn something like 3 coins. All right, so in order for you to earn 1,000 coins, to even earn $1, you're literally going to have to spend days playing those games before you get to 1,000 coins. All right, now the way that you get paid out in EasyBucks is you get paid out through PayPal, which is a big way, and they've got a lot of crypto as well, which is nice, right? They've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. These are some of the other ways that you can get paid out. But the minimum threshold in order for you to make money from EasyBucks is $10. That means you must have an equivalent of 10,000 coins, all right, before you can actually withdraw any money into crypto or into your PayPal account. Now, 10,000 coins is going to take you a while. All right, because even if you spend 3 or 4 hours a day on EasyBucks, if you think about it, for every single action that you take, like you fill out a survey or you play games or you're downloading an offer, you're making pennies on the dollar. Literally like 1 cent here, 2 cents there, 30 cents here, 20 cents there, 15 cents here. So it takes a long time for you to add up enough coins in order for you to reach $1, and then eventually you have to reach $10, right? So that could take you a few weeks before you hit $10. It might even take you more than a month or 2 in order to hit $10, right? So it's not that you can't make money off EasyBucks, right? But if you compare EasyBucks to some of the other bigger GPT websites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars, I think that they pay a little bit less than these other guys, and it's going to take you a long time before you hit the threshold of 10,000 coins, which is $10, right? So yes, you can make money, but I mean, you're going to have to be very patient, and you're going to have to work at the app every single day for hours and hours and hours, right? And if you divide that time by the amount that you're making per hour, it's actually quite a low amount of money. We're literally looking at, 20 to 30 cents per hour, maybe, depending on what activities you focus on, okay? So it's not that it's not legit. Easy Bucks is legit. You can definitely get paid out. They've got surveys, offers, and games, and if you're an Android user, it's good, and you can pretty much access this from anywhere in the world. The problem is that, is this going to make you rich? No, not necessarily. It's a great free way to make money. I mean, look, it depends on where you live. If you live in a part of the world where, an extra few dollars a month is going to change your life, then Easy Bucks is pretty cool. But if you live in a part of the world where, maybe $5 or $8 a month extra is not really going to be a game changer for you, then there are a lot of other probably better ways that you can make money online, right? And again, I've reviewed so many different ways to make money online. GPT websites are the most difficult way to make money. You have to invest a lot of time in the websites. They do pay out, which is great, but the amount that they pay out is very, very small because of the revenue model of the actual GPT website. You can't really expect these guys to pay you that much from surveys, offers, and games which are 100% free. Okay, I hope that makes sense. But it is legit. They do pay out, and you can access it from pretty much anywhere in the world as long as you own an Android phone. So that's my review of Easy Bucks. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, perhaps you're looking for a way to make money online, and maybe you don't necessarily want to make it from a GPT-style website. You just stumbled upon Easy Bucks, and you're wondering, is this legit? How much money can you make? All those questions that most people have. And look, I've tried many different ways to make money online. Lots of different money-making websites. Some are free, some are paid. Lots of different business models. I think that, look, if you have an extra 1 to 2 hours per day, you should be learning a skill that can leverage your time online. I mean, you're on the internet, right? So you should leverage your time and use that skill to make way more income than that. So if you would like to learn how to make between 5 and 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, if you have 1 to 2 hours per day, all you need is an internet connection and your laptop. I would love to show you my favorite way to do that. All you need to do is just click the link below, register for it. I'm going to send it directly to your email, so please check your spam folder because sometimes email ends up in spam these days, right? Enjoy the training, and I hope to see you in another review video. Take care and all the best to you.